Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we're in the TRX right now, and after a 5-month wait, we are finally bringing the TRX back to the body shop so we can finally get the repairs made from when I was hit in that parking lot by that drunk chick back in March. So yeah, it's been a 5-month wait to get these parts. Pretty shitty that it took so long, but that's the whole supply chain issue right now with waiting for parts and delays and backups and all that stuff. So yep, it is what it is. At least it's finally getting fixed. I'm just gonna take it on over there now, get a rough idea on how long it's gonna take for them to actually make the repairs. I guess what was really holding them up was the rear bumper, since obviously the TRX has a different rear bumper than all the other 1500s. The tailgate is also being replaced, but yeah, the rear bumper was the issue. So gonna go over there, get time frame, and then try and see how much it would have cost for all of this to get repaired if it wasn't going through insurance. So I'll see you guys when I get there, and I'll remind you of the damage. All right, here we are at the body shop. So let me jump out and just show you real briefly what the damage is. If you saw my other video, you'll know what I'm talking about, but tailgate all here got smashed in, and then the rear bumper. So yep, there it is. Oh, there she is, all fixed. Alrighty, let's get back to the house. All right, everyone, so obviously we got the TRX back. Honestly, didn't take all too long. It took about 10 days total. Dropped it off on a Monday, and it's Wednesday now. So 9 days of work, 10 days total, really not all too bad. I have the full paperwork here showing the total breakdown of everything. So once we get back to the house, I'll go ahead and I'll run that through that with you, so you guys see like the total price for the repairs and all that. But yeah, I'm stoked to finally have this all behind me. There was a really long, like 6 months of just waiting for this thing to get fixed. So yeah, let's get back to the house, and I'll show you the paperwork. All right, guys, back home now, and I'm super stoked that we finally got these two girls back together now. I was using the Bronco for the past 10 days or so while the TRX was getting fixed, and when I'm driving the Bronco and I haven't driven the TRX in a while, I always think, oh man, the Bronco really is like a big vehicle, because I mean, this is the Sasquatch Bronco as well, so it comes with the 35s, it comes with the Bilstein suspension, so it's like 3 inches taller than like the standard Bronco. But then I park it next to the TRX, and yeah, the TRX definitely a lot bigger. Even so, it's still on a 35 with just a mild leveling kit on there, but you can see the height differential there just with the actual mirrors there. But yeah, super happy that finally got the TRX back here now, and finally that whole saga is behind me. I really wish they would have had time to go ahead and fix that. I did ask them to fix that and give me an extra quote, but I guess they just overlooked it. But eventually that'll get fixed, I guess. But go ahead and come back here and show you. So new tailgate, all this was replaced. It wasn't able to be repaired, so they had to replace all that, because this was all damaged right here in the seam, so they had to get a new tailgate, paint it. Crazy enough, they had to order all new badges as well, so these are all new, and a whole new rear bumper, since that wasn't able to be repaired either. So those two things were replaced, and then there was a bunch of little like accessory pieces that they had to go ahead and order as well to go ahead and get it thrown on there. This obviously didn't have to be painted because it's powder coated. This was painted, and then they also had to spray the tailgate with a new bed liner as well. So you can see there is a little bit of color differential there, but it's all good, it's fine. At least this whole thing is all behind me now, and hopefully I don't get rear-ended by another drunk driver, because that was an absolute nightmare. It was 5 months of waiting around to get something fixed when it wasn't even my fault. But we'll go over here, and I have the actual estimate here. This was all covered through insurance. I had to pay my deductible up front, but the other person's insurance company is reimbursing me for my deductible. But just wanted to go ahead and just show you here, so you can see this is all mine. It's Ram TRX. The loss date, this is when I brought it in, so March 27th. Vehicle out 8/24, so literally almost 5 months, a few days short of 5 months to get these parts. So yeah, we're still dealing with the whole parts delay and all that due to the whole COVID BS. But yeah, still really sucks. And then this is basically all they had to do. You know, their whole little breakdown over here of everything. And then over here we come to the prices. Parts, about $2,700. Labor and body, another almost $350. Labor refinish, $240. Mechanical labor, you know, $100. Material and paint, $140. So, you know, subtotal right there. Then grand total with taxes, basically, you know, $3,700. But again, insurance, you know, obviously they covered all of it. The chick, when she actually hit me, she was like, oh, what if I give you, you know, like a few $100, you can get it all fixed? Yeah. I told her real quick, a few $100 isn't going to cover that. And she was no way going to be forking out $4,000. But once again, it's all said and done now. I'm happy that the TRX is squared away. But yeah, no buts. I'm just happy it's finally over with. And I can just, you know, close this chapter and hopefully it doesn't happen again. So just wanted to make a quick little update video, guys. I know this wasn't anything like super interesting and all that, but for those of you that were wondering, because you've seen it in some of my other videos, I put out that it still wasn't repaired. It's finally repaired now, 5 months of waiting, but we're good to go. And hopefully I could go ahead and get that addressed pretty soon. Thinking of actually switching out these for carbon fiber, since the Bronco ones are available too, so it'd be pretty cool to, you know, kind of match those up a little bit. But we'll see what happens. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Later.